everyone, and Happy New Year! First of all, before I even begin, let me apologize for pulling the original video I posted here on how to open this Fenty beauty bottle. Long story short, I have decided I am going to republish the video here, which is what I'm doing. I'm just going to recreate the video and also not only show you how to open the Fenty bottle, because a lot of people did ask about how to fix the pump. Well, I'm going to try to show you. I say try because I don't know how badly broken your foundation pump is, but I am going to show you how to fix the pump. So what you do, I know a lot of you have seen, not some, a lot of you have seen my original video. What you do basically is twist. You twist this first. Okay, let's pop. Woo. Pop the top, and you need to twist from the neck here, this part here. All you have to do is just twist it open. Okay, some of you also talked about how I'm not left-handed, maybe I should use my right. There you go. Ew. Well, all you have to do is twist it. Just gonna clean the foundation I have on my fingers. Now, some of you also talked about not being able to even open your bottles. Something I learned firsthand as a waitress. If you have a bottle top that is stuck, just run it underneath hot water, or even a jar. Run it, even your syrup bottle or honey. If you have a bottle of anything that is sticky, you'll always have that, dryness around the neck of the bottle, and then it just kind of freezes. It just gets stuck. It hardens, and then it's very difficult to open it. Run it under warm water or hot water, whatever you want, and just for like maybe a few seconds, and it will, and then twist and it will open. So some of you also did mention that you can open yours. Just run your bottle under warm water or hot water, and it will open. Okay, so there you go. All right, now I'm gonna twist it right back. You don't need any tools, you don't need anything, all you need is just this, your hand. I keep using the left, I think, because I want you guys to be able to see, because I don't want anyone to say, you're blocking it. I also got that. Oh, you're blocking it, you're blocking the neck with your fingers. So there you go. Now let's fix the pump. I have taken apart the pump. This is the tube that goes right into the bottle of the foundation, and that is the neck that holds it together, and this is the tip right there. Okay, now I am guessing this is how badly damaged your pump is. It was a little messy for me to pull apart, so excuse the mess when I'm showing you, but I'm going to bring the camera closer so you can see how I get to fix it. Okay, okay. After putting all the pieces together, put the pump back in. Push down on the bottleneck and twist. Continue to twist until the pump aligns properly and locks into place. Obviously, I struggled a bit, but as soon as I wiped the foundation off my fingers, I was able to get a better grip, and lock it did. not falling out, and the bottleneck is there. It's firm, it's all good. Like, I have to tell you this. Before making this video, I had not pulled the pump apart before this video. I had no clue if it would work. I was just hoping in my heart it worked. And you know what? If it didn't, I guess I wouldn't have posted the video. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? That the pump breaks, I can't fix it, and I lose the foundation totally. Well, you can't if you know how to open it, I guess, but it's messy having to pour it from the bottle. But I was just doing this for the first time. The only thing I ever tried a long time ago when I was considering doing the video was I had played with that tip. This part of it, I had just kind of pulled it up a little and pushed it right back, and it worked. And I was thinking, so what kind of damage are they really talking about exactly? But today, right here, today, I thought, you know what, just pull the whole thing apart and see and start from the beginning, just to help anybody that may have completely destroyed their pump, maybe pull the whole thing apart or trying to fix it or messing with it, and you know, you pull the whole thing. Now, what I will say is, I barely really have anything in here. If I do, maybe just a little, because doing this video, yeah, sorry about that. That's a dirty cup. So this is pretty much, yeah, it's not a lot. I don't really have a lot in there, which may also be an issue when it comes to pumping the whole thing out. So I'm gonna put this, remember, the twist, let me put it on this side. Twist to open, twist to close. Just get a good grip, okay? Now you see this tip is pushed all the way in. Well, to do that also, of course, you kind of have to push it down and twist. I did that earlier. I don't know if you saw that. What it is for me is, if there is no foundation in there, will it work, right? Because it could get stuck. Now it pops out. So I don't really have a lot in there. Well, the foundation itself is really loose, if you notice, but it's matte, and it, okay, there you go. And if you can see that, just a little bit, yeah, it's coming out. Just gonna put it in my hand so you can all see. Oh yes, so it works. Sorry, it's really messy, and the foundation itself is really hard to clean. I have to tell you that part of it too. So if you make a mess, you're gonna be using up a lot of towels. But anyway, that's it. So let me know how that works for you, if it worked, if you were able to, you know, fix your palm. Let me know. You know, just follow the steps I showed you in the video. Let me know. It'll be nice to know how damaged the pump is and how much of it you're trying to fix. And you know what, if you can't fix the pump, at least you can get it to open. Even though I would recommend pouring your foundation like that, but then there are so many foundation bottles out there now that you literally have to kind of pour out or use your finger. If you're the kind of person like me who uses her finger to apply her foundation, maybe it won't really be a big deal, sorry, but it could be messy. But then it's not total loss at the end of the day. You're not, because it's not cheap foundation. This Fenty Beauty foundation is not exactly cheap. So if you still want to save your foundation, don't worry about the mess. Once you can get it to open, like I showed you guys earlier, you're good to go if you damage your palm. And if you cannot get it to open, like I said, run the neck. That's this part of it. Make sure you have the top on it when you're running it under warm water so the water doesn't get into it. Just keep the top, the lid on it, and then run it underneath running water, hot water or warm water to make, you know, just make sure it's warm to hot. And just for a few seconds, and just twist and open. The reason why it will may be hard for you is probably because one, it gets dry. It's matte foundation, so it will dry whenever, you know, you get a little bit of spill on that neck. It does dry after a while, and I think that stickiness makes it hard. to open after a while. When you twist, it's hard. That's just all it is. But anyway, that's it for me, guys. Thank you all again so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. If you want to subscribe, because yes, I'm gonna be doing more videos now, feel free to subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye.